Welcome, and thank you for joining this tutorial. In this video, we will show you the user interface and home page overview of SAP Business One Web Client. Get familiar with tiles, navigation, settings, and more to navigate efficiently. In the center or main content of the page, you will find the tiles overview. There are two types of tiles, large tiles and small tiles, which provide quick access to key functions and modules. Large tiles display important information at a glance, such as key performance indicators, recent activities, or high-priority modules. They are prominently sized for easy visibility on the home page. Small tiles offer compact access to frequently used apps and reports. They allow you to organize your dashboard efficiently without cluttering the screen. The navigation, search, and settings bars appear on top. These provide quick access to global functions like searching, user profile, notifications, and system settings. Your profile picture or initials give access to account and user settings. These are the same options you know from the first video in this series. Recent activities, frequently used items, settings, adjustments for the home page, and logout options become visible. Everything is organized for quick access. Clicking the bell icon reveals your notifications. Notifications include approvals granted, quotations if set up in the system, or upcoming events and calls from CRM. Stay updated on important activities. The tab navigation in the center of the navigation bar shows all default tabs for categories you have permissions for, such as sales, purchasing, item management, and more. Pressing the arrow to the right reveals more category tabs. The arrow down button provides an overview of all categories. All categories available, you've access to, are listed here. If you click on the burger menu in the top left corner, the categories in more detail will be shown. The menu opens from the left side for navigating through the system, similar to using the tiles. You can also find your accessible functions by using the search. This function can be used by pressing the search icon on the top right. Search for all the functions and apps using this feature. In our example, we look for sales quotations. Everything related to sales quotations appears in the results. Here you can open sales quotations the same way as clicking its tile. You now understand the multiple navigation options available in the SAP Business One Web Client homepage, from tiles and tabs to search and menus. We've covered large and small tiles, header navigation, user settings, notifications, and quick access features. Thank you for watching this tutorial. The playlist contains more standard functions of SAP Business One Web Client. Watch the previous videos for login and basic setup. Please subscribe for additional helpful tutorials, like this video if you found it useful, leave a comment with your questions, and share with colleagues who use SAP. Enjoy your experience.